Well, it is Tuesday, and that means it's time for Your Money with Evans Financial. And joining us here in studio is my new co-anchor. We've moved Courtney out of here. Colin Evans with Evans Financial, taking over here at the desk. How's it feel, man?
You know, I'm moving up in the world.
Yeah, like we were joking off air, it only took about a year.
That's right, that's right.
Yeah, we've had a great time having you. And today we're talking about proposed business tax increases. Go, take it.
Well, you know, some of the things that we're hearing this all with fruition. There's so many things that are coming out. We've got, you know, Trump and Doge or Dogie, or however we're saying that. Well, I don't even know. But
Doge.
As we're seeing things that were coming down the line, and some of the things that are coming up are some business tax increases, and higher taxes on big companies are one of the things that are being talked about. And the government may raise the minimum tax on those large corporations from 15% up to 21%. While mathematically that doesn't sound like too big of a number, only 6% really going from 15 to 21, but however, for those companies that are in that position, that's actually a 40% increase. So this is a little bit bigger hit that they might not be expected to take. More expensive stock buybacks. So companies that buy back their own stock might be paying a higher tax on that, which could affect those stock prices. You have to look at also a potential economic impact. What we mean by that is some of these fears, their changes lead to companies might not want to be investing in growth because they're not sure how their money is going to be divvied up just yet. We also have to look at a government revenue boost, as these are kind of what we're looking at from the tariffs and increasing these corporate tax rates. This is actually going to put a little bit of an ease, or what they're doing is putting a little bit of ease on the actual taxpayer of us as individuals. But some tips that we've got out there: if you invest in these stocks, pay attention to how these changes might affect you and some of these stock buybacks along with the corporate profits. So small business owners, I really suggest talking with a tax professional just in case, because we don't know what the cutoff is or where Uncle Sam's kind of looking at what they're classifying as a large corporation for us as smaller businesses.
Now, obviously, every time we're talking to you, there's a lot of information there. If people do want to reach out to you, maybe get some tips on how to anchor some newscasts, get some tips about their money, where do they go?
Absolutely. You can find us at evansfinancial.com, or you can kick us an email, info@evansfinancial.com. Those actually do go directly to me, and I get to read every single one of them.
All right, and this could even end up being another segment. I'm sure you're taking advice there as well.
Absolutely, why not?
All right, well, great job. Joy having you here on the desk, man.
Well, heck, let's head over to weather, right?
He's so good.